I think I'm loving this one. I think I am loving this one. I think. What's up, you guys? This is your wing lady, and I'm back today with another beautiful video. You guys, I'm very excited today. You can tell. You can tell. Whenever it's a haul video, I am the most excited because they're my favorite kind of videos to do. I enjoy hauls so much. And today I have all 6 perfumes to unbox with you. And I'm gonna give you my first impressions. We're gonna unbox it together, We're gonna know how this smells together. This is Taskin by Paris Corner. I hear this is a fruity scent. I'm not sure. This is Maya by Lattafa. We're gonna try this out too. This is Amirat Al Arab, the newest one, the latest one, Prive. It comes in a pink box. I haven't tried out the red box. Let me know if it's blind by Wally. If you want me to hold that too, let me know. I haven't tried that one. I hear it's a fruity scent, and I love fruity scents. This is Amirat Al Arab Prive Rose. Then I have Yara Moi. I'm going to compare it with the original Yara. You guys know how I feel about the original Yara. I hope I am not disappointed with Yara. I'm just gonna keep an open mind. Open mind. And now I have the latest Andaleeb, guys. Woo! Baroni has recommended it to me. Actually, she was like, have you tried the latest Andaleeb Flora? And I'm like, not yet. But now we get to unbox it together. I'm gonna compare it to the old Andaleeb and see if it sort of lives up to expectation, because the original Andaleeb is fire. And then lastly, I have Fakhar Rose, the one for women. I've heard this smells like Linted by Givenchy, and although I haven't tried Linted before, here's a nice, floral sweets scent. I don't know. We are going to unbox all of this together, starting from shall we try which one? Taskin. It's gonna be a long video, at least a little bit long, so just get your popcorn or whatever and get comfortable. So Taskin by Paris Corner has been on the streets of Instagram for a while, and a lot of people say it's very fruity. I don't know what sort of fruits. They say it is fruity sweet. I hope we end up liking it. Ah, wow, it's a beautiful bottle. Oh my goodness, guys, I love the bottle. It is so girly. Is this pink peachy? It's sort of like peachy. It looks like this bright peach or intense peach. The one dripping Tom Ford's bitter peach. The color is almost exactly the same. So let's try this out. It needs to dry down for a little bit. I don't want to go in and smell alcohol. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Mangoes and peaches. I was right about the color. Mangoes and peaches and sugar. Oh my god. This is a soft girl scent, a baby girl scent. Oof. I didn't think I was gonna like it. It is soft, it is sweet, fruity, powdery. The fruits there, easily mango and peach. Powdery, sweet, sugary. Yes, you can buy this one. This is a go. I like it. And it is soft. It's not like shouty, but it's doing the work. He's doing the job. Oh my god, I cannot wait to actually fully review it. This is Yara Moi by Lattafa, the elder sister of the original pink Yara. I hope I do not end up being disappointed. I'm so nervous right now because I want this to be good. For some reason, I want it to actually be good, because the first Yara I am not enjoying. Even up till now, I have not been able to fall in love with Yara. So I hope Yara Moi is just made for moi, made for me. and that I get to enjoy it. Okay. Okay. Lovely white bottle. It's just the same as the original Yara bottle, but of course this is white and it has Yara Moi. Oof, gosh, calm down. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. I'm gonna love it or not. Shall we go in, guys? I think I'm loving this one. I think I am loving this one. I think this is a lovely, creamy white floral scent. Sweet, but not over the top, not too sweet. I smell something like biscuits in here. This is a creamy, milky, sort of milky white floral. It's calm. It's sweet, but not over the top sweet. It's a sort of mature scent. It's laid back. Sweet, creamy, milkish, ice creamish, like ice cream, yeah, white florals. I sort of like this. It's a mature scent. I'm going to give this a chance. I think I am going to like it. I think I am going to like it. Oh my god. I was so scared I was going to be disappointed. But so far so good, I'm not disappointed. Next, we'll try Amirat Al Arab Prive. This is by Asdaaf. And I've been saying it for a while. And I was like, come on, let's try this scent. It looks so pretty. I actually bought it because it was pretty. I don't know about the red one. Do you think I should get it, guys? Do you think I should get the red one? This is classy. Oh my god. Right off the bat. Wow. Guys, this is neat. Beautifully blends with my backdrop. Ooh, look at that copper. Ooh. Guys, I am excited. But I'm gonna keep calm. And let it dry down. Shall we go in? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I do believe I have smelled this rose before. It smells almost exactly like Champ the Rose Jackie's Eyes by Fragrance World. Okay, it's a fresh rose. It's a fresh rose, a bit green, you know, freshly cut roses. A bit spicy because I can smell some spices in the background. It is fresh, rosy, a bit sweet, spicy. It is classy. Yeah, it is classy. It is nice, but this will do it for office. This is not like baby girl, baby girl, baby girl. This is a clean scent. This is just kind of scent that you use when you don't want to be loud. You just want to become the no perfume kind of scent. You know, like no makeup. This is the no perfume kind of scent. It is soft, it is rosy, it's a bit green, it is calm, fresh, a bit powdery, creamy, and spicy because I can smell the spice peeking through. Lovely, actually. Not that I hate it. This is actually quite lovely and calm, but it's not shouting and it's not announcing your presence. Just like a calm scent. If you're just someone that likes that, you know, fresh, rosy, sweet, calm scent, you'll probably like this. Let me know which one of these perfumes you want to see a review on first, so that I can get into it, wear it, and you know how we do. This is Maya by Lattafa, and thank God I have scissors. Okay, it's like this, just in case you decide to prove the big store one. Maya comes in a tin. I heard that this is dripping. I'm on my way. Okay, now we open the tin. Okay. Oof, guys. It's not secure. Oh my god. secure at all. If you're unboxing this, you better be careful. I'm so sorry. Huh? Mm. Let's move on. Okay, this is Maya. I heard this one is sweet. Let us hope that the stories are true. Let it dry down, let it dry down, let it dry down. Nice bottle, by the way. One, two, three. I've smelled this before. This is literally Musubwadi. Okay, okay, okay. Not exactly Musubwadi. Oh my god. I've smelled this before. Okay, let me just tell you how it smells. It smells intensely fruity. There's some sort of fruit in there that I can't put my finger on. What fruit is this? Is it apples? I think it's apples. And something else. Okay, it smells like wine. Like fruit wine. Effervescent, bubbly, sweet, fruity. A bit bubblegummy. If you're into fruity, sweet, girlish, baby girl, bubblegummy scents, this might do it for you. It smells like a fruit wine. Yeah, like a fruit wine. And it's a bit powdery, it's a bit creamy and fresh. This is actually lovely, but it is not what I was expecting. I don't know, sometimes you imagine a scent smelling a certain way in your head, and then when you put your nose to it, it smells different. This is lovely too. A bit bubblegummy, fruity, sweet, creamy scent. Ladies, I think you're gonna love this. I think you're gonna love this. I'll give it time, of course. I have to give it time, and I have to wear it, well enough to come to my conclusion and judgment, but it is good. It is good. So far, so good. This is a successful blind buy haul. Okay, now we move on to Fakhar Rose by Lattafa. This one has been around for quite a while. I think since 2021, I believe. And I do hope I end up liking it, because if I don't like it, I'm gonna be so disappointed. Pretty box. Okay, how does this open? Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. So we look like this. Oh, the photo is so pretty. I'll give it that. It is really, really pretty. Let's check the juice. Oh, the spray is actually misty. Very generous and misty. God, I do hope I like this one. One, two, three, go in. Ow, 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 alcohol, alcohol. I can't smell anything. Wow, 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 wow. Sorry, guys, the alcohol. I'm so sorry. Okay. 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 This smells a bit old. Not bad old. Good old. It smells sweet. It smells clean, like white florals, like in White Orchid by Fragrance World. Then a bit powdery, very sweet, something also very bubblegummy. I think that's tuberose. This is a clean girl scent. If you talk about clean girls, those aesthetic that we see around on Instagram or YouTube, this will be the perfume. This is not shouting, but it is right there. You know the woman that I see wearing this? The woman who knows her worth. The one that does not need to shout or be loud before you notice her. The one that walks into the office or into the building, as I love to say, and everybody just turns their head and she doesn't have to do anything effortlessly. It's calm, it's mature, it's powdery, it's creamy, it's sweet. For first impressions, I like it. Fakhar Rose, I like it so. Oh my god, I'm liking everything. Now I'm scared. Oh my god. Then, last but not the least, we get to unbox Andaleeb Flora. I'm most excited about this one because original Andaleeb has got me on a chokehold. So I'm hoping this one will do even better. Okay, so let's try this out. And of course, it comes in my favorite color, purple. Like, where else I like something that comes in my favorite color? Woof. Mm-mm-mm. It's packaged the exact same way as the original Andaleeb. It's right in front of me. I'm looking at it. When I make a review video, I'm going to compare the old Andaleeb with the new Andaleeb and the old Yara with the new Yara. So stay tuned for all of that. This is Andaleeb Flora, the latest release from Asdaaf. The latest Andaleeb release, exactly the same thing, just that this one is silver and the old Andaleeb is gold. This one is silver, and of course the juice here is sort of purple, you know, like lavender. So let's see what Andaleeb will smell like. God, I beg. I hope it doesn't disappoint me. Please be good. Please be good. Please be good. Wait. Okay, so this is a lot softer than I thought it would be, but delicious. It is delicious and yummy. Oh my goodness. Okay. Honey, lavender, fruits, powdery, powdery. Honey, lavender, fruits, powderiness. I love it, guys. I love it. I'm gonna give it a lot more time because I want to get a good wear out of this so that I can form my, 100% opinion. So of course I'm going to review each and every one of these one after the other. But so far so good. These are good. These are good. Oh, I love it. I'm not hating any notes. So far so good. Oh my god. This was such a successful haul. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video, for being with me from the beginning to the end. If you have not subscribed, oh my goodness, and you're still watching as of this time, please subscribe. It's free, literally free. Thank you so much. If you do end up enjoying the video, please like the video. If you enjoy it, you like it, right? Thank you guys. I love you so, so much. And until next time, mwah, mwah, mwah. Ciao.